Here we're going to look at how to add another web page to a course site. This is very often a popular thing to do if you have a particularly large amount of content that you want to convey to your learners. And instead of having it in just a great big long list on that one course page, you could instead give them a link to a second course page, or in fact as many additional course pages as you want. In order to do this, we need to turn on the editing. Top right hand corner, you'll find the Turn Editing On button. You then have to add an activity or resource, so you'll find the links on the right hand side. Now you need to scroll down the screen so that you can find the location point where you want this link to be. So if I want a new page link to be here, then I need to add an activity or resource at this point. We get the familiar dialog box, which gives us a list of all the activities that are available, and also, as we scroll down, all the different resource types that are available. And in this case, we're looking for the page resource. So we'll see it right down at the bottom there, page. If we choose add, we then get a little dialog box that we have to complete. As with all Moodle activities or resources, they have to be given a name and usually a description. So we'll call this another page for my course. And in here could be a description. On this page, you will find information about XYZ subject. Okay, and then as you scroll down, we want to say yes, please display that description, and we then find the content area for the page. Now it doesn't look like a Moodle course page, it is simply another area that you can put content in, and when they click the link it will open a new web page displaying that content. So what you get is this text editor box, but it has a remarkable amount of facility there for you to put whatever type of content you might like. So for example, you can obviously type in text, sentences, paragraphs, you could paste it in, but you can also insert images. We have our insert image button and a whole variety of other items here that you can insert onto this page, including video. You can embed video in the same way that you can embed video in a label on a Moodle page. You would use your HTML editor to do that. So you can format this, change the layout, change the font sizes, the text colours, put in nice paragraph layout. You can check your spelling. It can all be nice and neat and tidy, so that all of that content, instead of being on the front page of the course site, is on a second page that they can link to. So if we just pop in a little gobbledygook here, I'll just pop in an image. I'll go and find or upload an image from my files. I'll just pop in a picture. I'll just pop in that picture there, upload the file. Again, the size of the image depends on how long it's going to take to do this. We'll do an insert and OK. There's that picture there. If I now just scroll right down to the bottom and save and return to my course page, what I will of course find there is, there's the link that I've set up. Let's switch it into learner view so that you can actually see exactly what the learner is looking at. So there we are. If we scroll down, another page for my course, the learner would click and up pops the other page with the description, everything you've typed in, the image that I've put on there. What would be useful at this point is to put a link back to the main course page, but of course they could just use the back button on the browser and it would take them back to the main course page where they started from.